This hitch is killing me, mainly because I thought I had to hold a 1/2 inch sag, and really everything I read says you can allow for 1.5 inches, and so this is a new game today. I set my trailer up level. Top of my tongue receiver is 23 inches. I'm gonna set my ball up to be 24 1/4. This is the Harbor Freight, so that's down there. I think that's 2 holes from the top. And so I just put a piece of masking tape here and on the front, and I've got my laser level set up here, and I just set up and struck a line anywhere, and I marked it with the blue painter pen. And so that's my level. And so once I put it under a load and tighten it and lower it down, I can see where that line is in relationship to where it should be whenever it was unloaded. So the blue line down at the bottom is how high I jacked the trailer up with the vehicle attached, and then I hook my bars up, and then I'll lower it back down and see where it's at. So currently the best I've got is about a 1/2 inch space there. Typical is about 1 inch for me. I have roughly about 1.5 to 2 inches of sag without the toe hitch connected. So that's just an easy way for me to be able to visualize it instead of measuring to different points every time. And so we're going to hook this up and see what it looks like in a minute, and I'll show you. You can kind of see the line there. So I stopped on my mark there. I've got everything picked up about, I think that's 3 inches. And so we're going to go ahead and hook our chains up and see how that looks. So this is the first time after adjusting it. Get my tape measure out here. This looks better than any of the times I did last night, really. So that's about 3/4. There you go. However you want to look at it, or 7/8. So that looks really good. And so I've got 5 chains exposed. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th one hooked up. And then I also have all the washers in here, and I have this tightened up. And I'm setting just a little bit high on the trailer, and then some of that could be from the driveway is pretty well straight, but get out of that sun, it's hard to get the whole picture. Sitting pretty flat. Let's look at the front of the truck. That wind is shaking pretty good. I'm gonna pull tape on it. About a 1/2 inch in the front, 7/8 and 7/8 to 3/4 in the back. So pretty well flat. And I think by the time you load it down and that trailer's gonna set level, I don't want to keep fooling with it to try to get an 1/8 of an inch out of that bubble. So like it. I don't know a whole lot, but I've fought with this enough, so leave your comments. I'll see if I can answer them.